Hello, friends. Miss Callie here. Today we are going to talk about emotions. Does anybody know what an emotion is? Have you ever heard that word before? We have lots of them. Today we get to learn about them, and if you're not sure what they are, you'll find out next. Emotions are feelings. Have you ever had a feeling before? There's many different kinds of feelings you can have. If you look at these smileys in the computer here, you'll see some of them are feeling happy or silly. Some of them might be a little bit sad or nervous or worried. How is she feeling? I can't hear you. I think she's happy. Let's see. She is happy. Let's do another one. How is he feeling? Look closely. Sad. Oh, he's sad. I wonder why he's sad. Ooh, how is she feeling? Look closely. She's feeling angry or mad. That feeling has two different names. She could be angry or mad. And she's feeling. Everybody show me. She's excited. Oh no. How about her? How does she feel? Hmm. She's feeling frustrated. How is she feeling? Scared. This one actually has lots of names for this feeling. She could be scared, worried, or nervous. How can we tell when someone is feeling this way? Let's look at this little girl here who's happy. How can we tell she's happy? We're looking at her eyes, and they're kind of squeezed shut a little bit. If you look at her mouth, she's got a great big smile on her face. And if you look at her body, she's pretty relaxed and just happy to be there. She's happy about her day. She's making good choices. She's being a good friend. She's having fun being silly. Her eyebrows are down and relaxed. This is what happy looks like. How about this one? This little boy we said was sad. If you look closely at his mouth right here, you can see that his lips kind of go down. He's sad. And his eyes are kind of droopy. And sometimes you might look down when you're sad. If you're ever feeling sad, you might see yourself like this, looking down. And this girl we know is angry or mad. And if you look at her, you can see her eyebrows. Her eyebrows are kind of sticking up like this. And her mouth is small, like she's growling inside. And her forehead has wrinkles. Like if you look at my forehead, you can see there's wrinkles because she's mad. So your face gets kind of tight and wrinkly when you're feeling mad. And look at her shoulders. Her whole body is tight. She is not happy. She is angry or mad. Let's do another one. How about this girl? She's excited. Maybe it's her birthday. Maybe she's going on a vacation. Maybe it's Friday and she's happy to be done with school. She's excited. Her mouth is open. Her eyes are big. Her whole body is, her arms are up and she's relaxed and happy. All right, let's do another one. Oh, this girl's frustrated. She has her hands on her head She's feeling frustrated. Maybe she's having a hard time doing her schoolwork, or she doesn't know what she should be doing, or maybe mom asked her to clean up her toys or her room and she's frustrated. She doesn't want to. So if you look at her, her hands are on her head, her eyebrows are furrowed, kind of like when you're angry. She's got some wrinkles on her forehead, but her mouth is not angry. Her mouth is frustrated. Now I want you to take a minute to show your grown up some of your faces. They can send a picture to me so that I can see what your faces look like, and you're happy, sad, mad or angry, excited, frustrated, worried. I would love to see your pictures, so have your grown up send me one if you have time. Thank you. I miss you. Have a great day.